you know, the underneath, especially the wooden ones, had that piece of timber going up the spine, you know, lack of a better word. And if you did something wrong, they tie your hands and feet and drag you on the bottom, and there's like barnacles and, you know, coral, stuff like that, and or you might just drown. You know. Look at how shallow this is. I'm glad I didn't take the boat up here.
Yeah, we turned around.
Now, if this boat ever did flip over, you hightail it to shore, you know. Old pipe coming out of the cement there. I wonder what that's for. And should be just right around that corner there. We just passed the waterfall. Yeah, waterfall. Nevada Hot Spring. Sauna Cave.